want the leaf paddle?
Yeah, we'll do that. All right, so we're going to use our handy dandy stand mixer over here. I'll close this for just a second. What is it? Video capture device 2. Perfect. We're going to use our handy dandy stand mixer right back here and get that mixed up. We're going to add one egg at a time as it needs to be combined. Clean the sink a little bit. Enjoy that beautiful sink cleaning action. Oh yeah. Okay. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Doggy's ready. Beefer might have a bork. Yeah.
All right.
You're okay, buddy. You're all right.
I got you. Yeah. You're okay, see?
Yeah, you're all right. All right, one egg at a time. For a total of 4 eggs. Once it's combined.
Yeah, that looks good.
Okay. Headlock and noogie her for 10 seconds.
I mean, you can do whatever someone in chat tells you to do.
I don't know.
I feel like I got to refuse on principle.
Although I did tell somebody to do exactly that to their girlfriend the other day.
Headlock isn't very nice.
I don't remember what the circumstances were, but 2, 3, 4 eggs. A lot. Okay.
That wasn't 5, was it?
No. Wash my hands because eggs. Gonna do it? I mean, I can give her a noogie, but I don't want to hold her for 10 damn seconds. That's not nice.
You gonna fuck up my hair?
Yeah, you want a noogie?
No. Alright, that's actually the end of the stand mixer. We gotta use a large rubber spatula.
Perfect.
The crumb on it.
Beautiful. Trade you.
Add and fold in the dry ingredients 1/3 at a time.
Yo, asthma. Ugh. I was like, you should lick this. JK. All right, we'll turn on the other camera here in just 1 second. Here you go. Boop. So now we have a bowl of sugar, oil, and egg mixture. Don't do it, wasn't me, can't prove it. Fair enough, dude.
That's definitely not as nice with butter.
Yeah. Yep. Okay. Mostly got that off of there. Just good.